Hi and welcome to my wee channel, The Wandering Celts. Today we go up to Doune, or is it Doune to Doune? I cannot work it out. No harbour this time, but there is a spanking great castle known locally as Doune Castle, obviously. Built in a traditional Scottish fortress house style in the 14th century. Doune was famous for pistols, who knew? And there was a thriving industry making firearms. Although cheaper pistols from Birmingham, as in the Birmingham Small Arms Company BSA, led to their demise. Those pistols now are very sought after, and I have seen one in Edinburgh at the museum, and well crafted they were too. For my American friends, it has been said that the first shot of the American War of Independence was fired from a Doune pistol. The settlements in the area date back not just to the Roman times, but in fact back to at least the Bronze Age. The area is well known for a few reasons. The Doune Speed Hill Climb is one of the best in Scotland, and if you haven't witnessed one of these races, it's really specially adapted cars and motorbikes that race from the bottom of the hill to the top. Dangerous, yes. Thrilling, definitely. On a more relaxed note, the castle was used as a film set for Monty Python's Holy Grail film, and there are pilgrimages from fans from all corners of the world. More recently, Game of Thrones and the impressive Outlander were filmed here too. Also boasts a nice wee market town, which is handy for a coffee and a bun. So you could spend a good half an hour here. Anyway, I'll shut up now and catch you again at the end. Well, that was Doune. It's the first time I've actually stopped here, and I'm glad I did. The castle is well worth a visit, and once again, if you do this kind of history thing, treat yourself to Historic Scotland membership. You'll save a fortune. I don't get a penny for this before you ask. I'm just trying to save you a few bob. Subscribe. Have you done it yet? It's free and it helps the channel. You could also share the link to your family and friends if you like this kind of stuff. Anyway, as I look at the big clock on the wall, I see that once again time has beaten us. So until the next time, bye for now.